So, a very good afternoon to everyone. I am Dr. Zahid Alam. Welcome you all to the second session of this FDP program. And today we have with us a very renowned academician, Dr. Dilip Kumar Chaube sir, Professor CSE Department, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Bhagalpur. And he is having expertise in soft computing, machine learning, data mining, pattern recognition, DBMS, and IoT. He is having many publications in reputed national and international journals. So I would like to welcome Dilip Chaube sir, and the mic is yours, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to everybody. Firstly, I would like to give thanks to management and organizing committee of LNCT Group Bhopal for inviting me a guest speaker in 1 week FDP under AICTE Atal Academy on recent trends in artificial intelligence. So I'll share my slide.
Yes, sir, we can start.
So today my lecture of title is supervised learning. So what is supervised learning? Simply learning is supervised by a trainer. We may consider the example of a child who learns in the home by their parents and in the school by teacher. So here contents of my presentation is classification, means supervised classification, motivation. I will just give in context of medical diagnosis. How we partition the data set. Supervised learning means here we are going to do it, partition the data set in training, testing, sometimes also validation, and what terminology generally used in this machine learning, short computing, data mining. By using these techniques, we just do supervised learning. Feature selection, and then we are going to demonstrate here by using VCAT tool. And we are using here two data set in which we'll also give little bit lab experimentation. PMI Indian diabetes data set, localized diabetes data set. And we are also going to use two algorithms, naive Bayes and decision tree. So what is classification? Simply the grouping together of similar things into different segments based on common qualities or attributes. So we may also call to this clustering, not only classification. But what is the difference between classification and clustering? Classification is simply a supervised learning method in which the training data has to specify what is to be learned. Here training set exists, so we call this supervised learning. In classification, as I told earlier, data set partition between training data set and testing data set. Generally we do it by into 70 and 30. Simply, this is not hard and fast that we have to do it only 70 and 30. This is hit and trial method. But as per rule, yeah, if we go good road, then we generally we should drive 60 km/h. Just like here, normal rule 70 into 30. What is training data set? Training data set is used for training the system. Testing data set is used to measure the performance of the system. Generally, in classification, a set of predefined classes, and the goal is to find in which class a new object belongs to. What is the motivation? I am going to give the motivation in context of medical diagnosis. Okay, it is well known that till some years back, physician diagnosed the disease with experience and clinical data of the patient. Here, by clinical data, we mean laboratory test report. The laboratory test report may vary depending on meal, exercise, sickness, stress, due to small changes in temperature, different equipment used, and way of sample handling. So this kind of diagnosis of the disease is time consuming because it is entirely dependent on the availability and the experience of the physicians who has to deal with imprecise and uncertain clinical data of the patient. So to improve the decision making with clinical data and reduce time consumption, a good means intelligent diagnosis system is very much needed. Researchers said that even the most experienced of physicians is not capable enough to detect the disease quickly and accurately. He may require feedback from the serial patient for diagnosis of particular disease. It is always a problem for physicians to identify any disease accurately and in a speedy manner. So the main problem behind any misdiagnosis of disease are what? Lack of communication. Patient does not communicate to a physician's well from which disease they are suffer. Lack of experience. Patient does not go to a well-experienced doctor. Even partial matching doctor. Lack of pathological or laboratory tests. Good laboratory tests are on level only in big or metropolitan city. Yeah, this is one of the issues. So, due to all, classification, supervised classification came in the picture. So, we should know in the brief, we are going to summarize what is training, testing, and validation. So, as I had earlier defined, training data set means to train a particular input so that later one may test them for unknown input, for which they may classify or predict. This is what most of the machine learning techniques like support vector machine, neural network, Bayesian, etc. are based upon. Training data set is used to construct or develop or learn model or classifier. Training data set is used for training the system. Testing. What is testing data set? Testing data set is used to measure the performance of the system. So, if you have built any model or algorithm based on the test performance, we are going to declare, we may declare it, this is the performance of particular algorithm. Testing data set is used for assessing or to evaluate the model performance on future data. Testing set is used to estimate future error rate. What is validation? Sometimes you also partition the data set. Validation. Validation data set is used to check the quality of training, help to find best combination of parameters. Validation data set is used to select a model based on summation of picking algorithm and no settings. The training, testing, and validation are used in intelligence system, machine learning, and genetic programming. So here I'm going to tell you the procedure, and I'll also do it in Weka, how to partition data set. You may also do it manually, but by using Weka tool, you may also partition how to train, test, and validation. I'm going to do it. I'm going to demonstrate with you all. Here you may see I have prepared the chart. Firstly, you have to start Weka and go to Explorer and click it. Click Open File. Then you have to go Filters, choose Unsupervised. Click on Resample. You have to do it. Okay, apply, save training. So you have converted into training data set. And thereafter, you have to go unto revert. Click on Resample. Invert. Then you have to change the property. Invert selection, do it true. Okay, apply. Click on Resample. Thereafter, you have to change property. Invert selection false. Sample size percentage 50. Then you have to do okay, apply. Save validation, and then you have to do undo revert, resample, invert selection, do it true, okay, apply, save test. So how you are going to do 60 20 20 in this way we are going to do it. So I'm going to just do it experimental part also little bit. I will give is it visible?
First slide is visible, sir. That is supervised learning.
Weka, yeah, actually I am going to give demo in Weka. This is not visible?
No, no, sir.
Okay, doing. Okay, one minute, just switch.
Yes, sir. Take your time.
Yeah, is it visible?
About Weka?
Yes. No,
No,
about Weka.
No, sir.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, is it visible?
Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually I'm telling, yeah, go to Explorer. What actually I told you, how to partition dataset, training, testing, validation. I just want to give and how to use classification technique I'm going to use. If anybody don't know any coding, so no need to means bother, no need to worry. We may do it. There are so many GUI tools. So Vika is also one of machine learning GUI tool. You have to just go in Explorer. So this window will open. And then we have to go open file. Where we have kept the data set, we have to go there and we have to open it. We have to go in desktop. I've kept it desktop, and then train data set. We have just opened or simply diabetes. Okay, because we are going to partition. Yes. So here we may see that there is 768 instances. Name of data set is Pima Indian diabetes data set. And I told you first step, go start Vika. We have started Vika. Go to Explorer and click it. We have done it. Pre-process. And then open file. We have open file. Go to filters. So choose. Go to filters. Choose unsupervised. Here instance. And then what you have to do? Resample. You have to choose here resample. And then we have to edit. We have to just do it. No replacement true. And here we are going to divide split 60. So we have to write 60. Okay. Apply. And then save. We have to save it. Train. Just write here train. I'm just telling how to partition data set, because this is very, we generally do it in supervised classification. So just save. This is training data set we have divided. And then